Presenting the future of USB cables. ASAP Connect. Featuring rare earth neodymium magnets with 18-karat gold plating. ASAP Connect will change the way you interact with your USB devices forever. Featuring the world's first reversible cable on both the phone end and charger end. It works by inserting the tip to the phone, and the cable magnetizes onto the tip instantly, meaning you can effortlessly connect when you only have one hand free, or in a hurry to head out, or even in the dark. You no longer have to worry about your devices getting damaged. ASAP Connect even helps you retrieve your phone from hard-to-reach places. We've designed two tips, one for micro USB devices, such as Android phones, mini cameras and speakers. The other is for Apple products. We've removed the weakness of your traditional Apple Lightning connector tip, which snaps off easily by combining the tip and base into one piece. We call this the Alpha Connector. One of the engineering hurdles in designing ASAP Connect was its compact size. By condensing the technology down to the size of a fingertip, we're able to make sure that it's compatible with all phone cases. In creating a new standard for USB cables, we have performed the most stringent quality control tests, combined with superior materials to really challenge the user's expectations of what a state-of-the-art USB cable should be. We've spent the past 2 years working closely with one of the world's largest USB cable manufacturers. We're a team of disruptors from Sydney to LA who believe that users should be the creators of products, not large corporations seeking profit over practicality. We've created the final prototypes and delivered samples to dozens of major tech publications worldwide. Through your help, combined with the magic of Indiegogo, we hope to bring ASAP Connect to life and unleash the future of USB cables today.
This is Oxylite. It makes everything you do with your iPhone 7 even better. Just toss out your other bulky adapters. You will never have to choose between charging and music again. With its cool, sleek design, Oxylite is a perfect companion for your iPhone 7. The power light is an LED indicator. Turns on when your phone is charging. The dedicated DAC combined with the audio enhancer helps you get the best music quality without having to give up your high-end headphones. Oxylite also features an adjustable stand, helping you multitask wherever you are. So whether it's video chatting with your friends, setting up your next hot date, or watching the latest Netflix series, Oxylite seamlessly integrates into your daily life.
Hey Julian.
Sarah, how about we go to that Thai restaurant again tonight?
Yeah, sure. You can pick me up at 7.
Okay, cool.
It also doubles as a cord organizer, so say goodbye to messy cables forever. And you can tuck it away and take it with you wherever you go. Why choose when you can have both? Oxylite.